Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a mobile support hero for Roam. This matters because map presence wins objectives. Once in lane, push just enough to avoid losing farm, then leave at the 1:30 mark to place vision. Make sure to buy boots and a side item. These let you reach fights fast. Communicate succinctly with pings and short text. Teammates will follow if they know your intent. You now have the tools to influence mid and side lanes early. Once you leave, aim for mid first because it rotates faster and rewards quick kills. Approach through fog or side brush at an angle so enemy reactions lag. This increases your CC landing rate. Hit then peel is the sequence. Start with crowd control, then focus on disengaging or allowing your carry to finish. Make sure to immediately transition after a successful gank. Take the turtle, contest buffs, or pressure the turret. This converts transient kills into lasting map advantage. To finish a roam well, either capitalize on the kill by taking an objective within 20 to 30 seconds or return to lane to prevent losing towers. If your roam didn't secure a kill, don't tilt. Play safe, grab easy farm, place deep wards, and complete your support items to stay impactful. Make sure to track your cooldowns and mana so you don't overcommit next time. If teammates struggle, ask for peel or extra vision. That single adjustment often turns future roams successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.